Have you ever driven through a town, looked around, and immediately thought, yeah, I'm locking my car? Now, let's be clear. Pennsylvania is full of beautiful towns, friendly neighborhoods, and incredible history. But, like every state in America, it also has places where crime has left a lasting impact. Some towns have struggled with gang activity. Others have dealt with drug crime, violence, or years of economic decline. Today, we're counting down 8 Pennsylvania towns that have faced serious public safety challenges. This isn't about judging the people who live there. Most residents are hardworking families trying to build a better future. We're looking at crime trends, local history, and why these towns made headlines. So, lock your doors, grab your coffee, and let's begin. Number 8, Chester. Coming in at number 8, Chester. Located just outside Philadelphia, Chester has one of the richest histories in Pennsylvania. Unfortunately, in recent decades, it's also become known for high crime rates and gang-related activity in certain neighborhoods. Economic decline left thousands of jobs behind, and when opportunities disappear, crime often moves in. Local police and community organizations continue working to improve safety, and many neighborhoods have seen positive changes. But Chester still faces challenges. The good news? Residents are fighting hard to turn things around. The bad news? Google Maps still occasionally recommends proceed with awareness.
Coming in at number 7, reading. No, not reading a book. The city. Reading has beautiful old architecture, rich history, and one of Pennsylvania's strongest Latino communities. But over the years, some neighborhoods have struggled with gang activity, drug trafficking, and violent crime. Local police have cracked down on organized crime, and community leaders continue working to improve public safety. Thankfully, many parts of the city are seeing new investment and revitalization. Still, if your GPS says, take a shortcut through an unfamiliar neighborhood, maybe let the GPS think about what it's done. Number 6, York. Known as the White Rose City, York played an important role in American history. But in more recent years, the city has also faced challenges with gang violence and drug-related crime in certain areas. Economic struggles didn't help. Neither did years of rising violence. The good news? Crime prevention programs and community policing have made progress. Today, many neighborhoods are much safer than they were a decade ago. So don't judge the whole city based on one bad headline. That's like judging your entire family by that one uncle who still thinks fax machines are cutting-edge technology. At number 5, Harrisburg. You'd expect the state capital to be all politics and paperwork. And it is. But some neighborhoods have also dealt with gang-related crime and drug activity over the years. Despite those challenges, downtown Harrisburg has experienced major redevelopment. Restaurants, riverfront parks, new businesses. It's a city that's working hard to reinvent itself. So yes, you might visit for government buildings and accidentally leave with excellent barbecue recommendations. America works in mysterious ways. Number 4, Wilkes-Barre. Once a booming coal town, Wilkes-Barre faced economic decline after the mining industry faded. Unfortunately, crime followed in some neighborhoods. Drug trafficking and gang activity became growing concerns for local law enforcement. But residents haven't given up. Historic buildings are being restored, new businesses are opening, and community organizations continue working to make neighborhoods safer. Because at the end of the day, a town isn't defined only by its problems. It's defined by the people trying to solve them.
Number 3, Allentown. Billy Joel made it famous. Unfortunately, crime statistics have made headlines too. Now, don't get us wrong. Allentown is a growing city with great restaurants, beautiful parks, and a thriving downtown. But like many larger cities, some neighborhoods have experienced gang activity, drug trafficking, and violent crime over the years. Local police have increased patrols. Community organizations continue investing in youth programs, and many areas are seeing positive change. Still, if someone tells you, I know a shortcut, and it goes through 3 abandoned warehouses, maybe, just maybe, stick to the main road. Number 2, McKeesport. Our runner-up is McKeesport. Just southeast of Pittsburgh, McKeesport was once a booming steel town. Back when the mills were running, jobs were everywhere. But after the steel industry collapsed, thousands of jobs disappeared. Unfortunately, crime began replacing opportunity. Gang activity, illegal drugs, and violent incidents became ongoing challenges for parts of the community. Despite that, residents continue fighting for change. New businesses are opening, community leaders are working hard, and local organizations are investing in safer neighborhoods, because every town deserves a second chance, even if its GPS rating could use a little work.
Number 1. Philadelphia. Certain neighborhoods. Taking our number 1 spot, Philadelphia. Now, before everyone from Philly rushes to the comments, relax. We're not talking about the entire city. Philadelphia is one of America's greatest cities. It gave us Independence Hall, the Liberty Bell, cheesesteaks, Rocky, and fans who can somehow boo Santa Claus. That's talent. But certain neighborhoods have struggled for years with gang violence, illegal drug markets, and high crime rates. Law enforcement agencies continue conducting major operations against organized crime. Community groups work every day to reduce violence and provide opportunities for young people. And many neighborhoods have made real progress. Philadelphia is a city of incredible history, amazing food, passionate sports fans, and people who care deeply about making their communities better. Like many major cities, its story is far more complicated than the headlines. What do you think? Were you surprised by any of these towns? Do you live in Pennsylvania? Or have you visited one of these places? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, every town has challenges, but every town also has good people working hard to make life better. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more rankings, hidden places, and fascinating stories from across America. Thanks for watching.